Tax reforms. Did you know that the India Budget 2024 proposes a reduction in the corporate tax rate from 25% to 22% for domestic companies? This is huge. This reduction aims to boost corporate investments and improve India's competitiveness in the global market. What are your thoughts on this? Drop a comment below. Infrastructure development. Big news. The India Budget 2024 allocates 1.5 lakh rupees crore for the development of highways and rural roads across the country. This investment is expected to enhance connectivity and support economic growth in rural areas. Do you think this will make a difference? Let us know. Education.
Education just got a boost. The 2024 budget increases funding for education by 20%, totaling 1.2 lakh rupees crore.
The focus is on digital learning and skill development programs to bridge the digital divide. What skills do you think are essential for the future? Comment below.
Healthcare. Health first. The budget allocates 90,000 crore rupees to healthcare, with 30,000 crore rupees for COVID-19 vaccination and infrastructure.
This move underscores the government's commitment to strengthening the healthcare system. How important is healthcare investment to you? Share your thoughts.
Renewable energy. Going green. The 2024 budget sets aside 50,000 crore rupees for renewable energy projects, including solar and wind.
These investments are part of India's commitment to reducing carbon emissions. How do you feel about renewable energy? Let's discuss.
Agriculture. Support for farmers. The budget includes 2.5 lakh rupees crore for agriculture, focusing on irrigation and direct income support. This aims to enhance productivity and support farmers' livelihoods. Do you think this will impact food security? Comment below. Startups and innovation. Attention startups. The budget proposes a 15% tax incentive and a 10,000 crore rupees fund for startup incubators. This initiative aims to foster innovation and entrepreneurship. Are you excited about this? Share your thoughts. Digital economy. Digital boost. 1 lakh rupees crore is allocated for the digital economy, focusing on broadband access and digital payments. This supports India's transition to a digital economy. How important is digital connectivity for you? Let us know. Employment generation. Job creation. The budget allocates 75,000 crore rupees for manufacturing, services, and tourism employment initiatives. This aims to reduce unemployment, especially among the youth. Do you think this will help? Comment your views. Women empowerment. Empowering women. 50,000 crore rupees is set aside for women empowerment programs, including entrepreneurship grants. These initiatives aim to promote gender equality. How important are such programs? Share your thoughts. Housing and urban affairs. Affordable housing. 1.8 lakh rupees crore is earmarked for housing projects and urban development. This aims to provide affordable housing solutions. How do you feel about urban development investments? Let us know. Climate change. Fighting climate change. 40,000 crore rupees is allocated for climate change projects, including reforestation.
These funds aim to build resilience against natural disasters. How important is climate action to you? Share your thoughts.
MSMEs. Boost for MSMEs. 1 lakh rupees crore is allocated for MSME support, including credit guarantees and tech subsidies. This aims to boost MSME growth and competitiveness. Are you an MSME owner? Comment your thoughts. Defense, national security. The defense budget increases by 10%, reaching 5.5 lakh rupees crore for modernization. This aims to enhance security and promote self-reliance in defense. How do you feel about this? Let us know. Tourism. Tourism boost. 30,000 crore rupees is allocated to revitalize the tourism sector post-pandemic. This investment aims to create jobs and boost the economy. Do you love traveling? Share your thoughts. Financial inclusion. Inclusive banking. 25,000 crore rupees is set aside for financial inclusion, promoting rural banking and digital literacy. These measures aim to ensure that all citizens have access to banking and financial services, promoting economic stability and growth. Research and development. R&D investment. 60,000 crore rupees is allocated for biotechnology, space, and pharmaceutical research.